In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add font on Canva design. So I open Canva design. This is a pre-made element, so I need to just add font. Right now, you need to click on just text, so you can add any font. Example purpose. I write here number one. So you have see lots of pre template, so I use on. Here are lots of options. You can add any font. So example purpose, I remove this function and remove, I write my own name. Okay, so now again click on font. I want to change this one. Just select your text and click on this icon. You can see here are the lots of pre template font, just alpha slab wow, and this one remove, and this one you can change to any. So if you found this video helpful for me, make sure like and subscribe the channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.